Hey everybody, so we're at the off Barker Cypress, just past Park Row. That's the soccer park right there. It looks more like a lake now. I've never seen the water go all the ways to the other apartment complex like that. I can't even tell you how many miles that is, or not miles, but it's pretty extensive. So people are kind of stopping to look, see what's going on, as we are, because the rain isn't too crazy, and we're standing underneath these trees. Now, if you look down here, we were going down there, but you can't go because the water just flooded the left side of the road there. So that car right there is on the island, and they're backing up. We just did the same thing. It's just too deep to even mess around with that. It's crazy. This whole place looks like a lake.